Walking through the gates of dreams, Huzaifa high where the spirit beams. Books in hand, hope in our hearts. Here's where every journey starts. Teachers guide us through the day, showing us the wiser way. Learning grows with every smile. In these halls we'll walk a mile. Huzaifa high, we sing your name. Together we will rise in fame. Knowledge bright and futures clear. In our hearts you'll always be near. Through the labs and through the fields, every question, every shield, we conquer fears and face the test. In Huzaifa we all belong. Through the labs and through the fields, every question, every shield, we conquer fears and face the test. In Huzaifa we are blessed. Friendships bloom beneath the sun. In every race we've just begun. Memories will always hold. In Huzaifa we are born.